Hello, good morning, afternoon, evening, whoever you're watching me from. Welcome to another section of our tutorial. It's been a while, and it's a new ministry year. If you are in Loveworld or Christ Embassy, all right. So there are tons of songs I'm supposed to teach, and I have some students that I'm teaching on Zoom, and because of them, I'll be teaching my songs based on the keys I'm teaching them. But if you're not part of them and you still want to, learn all keys, get into my playlist. There are 53 videos there you can use. I'm still using that same videos to teach them, but this time around I mentor them, and we have live sessions on Zoom once a week or twice a week to help them play corrections here and there. All right, so without much ado, let's get into the song. I'm going to be doing I'm Satisfied, and then Holy Holy by Rita Soul. So I want to do these two songs tonight, and we are in the festive season. Without much talking, let's get into it. All right, so let's do I'm Satisfied first. Yeah, so for beginners, this is chord 1, chord 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. All right, so if you hear me use the numbers and you don't understand what I'm playing, after the video you can go back and play it using the basic chords. All right, so it starts, you are my peace, chord 1 to 5. This is chord 4. Then you move to chord 5. I have no need. Alright. I'm playing a suspended before the 5. Alright. So again, chord 1. To 5. There's chord 4. Then we're going to 5, but I like playing the suspension before. It's this note that's creating the suspension. So again, you are my peace, chord 1. Yeah. Chord 4. Sorry, chord 5. We played chord 5 first. This is now chord 4. Then you are my song. You are my song. It's the same progression. 1, 5, 4, 5. Chord 4. We are moving to 5. I am complete in you. Then the next verse, you move to 4. Almighty Father, 4. 1 to 5. 5. Then you play 5 again. 4. Then we move to 6. Then back to 5. Almighty Father, you are. Chord 4. Chord 1. Chord 5. We stay there. Chord 4. We move into 6. Then the last part of the song. My eyes have seen your goodness. Chord 4. You are true to your word. Chord 2. You are wondrous, Lord. Chord 4. You are true to your word. Chord 2. You are 1. 5. Then 4. So basically that's the song. It's chord 1. You are my peace. To 5. And then to 4. Back to 5. Suspension before the notes itself. You are my song. You are my melody. Da 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 dum. Oh dear Lord Jesus, I'm not going to edit this part. Then you move to chord 5. Oh. I will edit this part out. So if you're watching, you can also laugh. Alright, so chord 1, chord 5, 4, back to 5. Then Almighty Father, you are. Chord 4. La da 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 da. Da 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 da. Ta da da da. Ta da. Ta da 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 da. Ta da 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 da. Then mine eyes have seen your goodness. Da 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 da. You are true to your word. You are wondrous, Lord. Alright, so thank you for watching and God bless you. Please, if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe and share the link to others. Alright, bye.